For this one specifically, I have to unscrew the old one. You can see I'll be screwing the old one. You go, and the other screw as well. You go. Let's put this thing there. Now let's remove the screws, and now you can see that this the old one. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to remove the wires, and then I will fill in the hole with the adhesive type, and we will install the new one. Apparently it's not going to look very well, but I'm not going to focus on the visual in the moment. I'm going to focus just on the actual installation.